Hello, kids! Today we'll learn about jungle and farm animals. Let's begin. Lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. Cow. Cows give us milk to drink. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. Horse. Horses run fast and love to gallop in fields. Elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. Goat. Goats eat grass and climb on rocks. Monkey. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. Sheep. Sheep have soft, woolly coats. Bear. Bears love honey and sleep in caves. Pig. Pigs like to roll and play in the mud. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over. Dog. Dogs are friendly and love to play fetch. Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks to reach tall trees. Cat. Cats purr when they're happy. Deer. Deer are gentle animals that live in forests. Donkey. Donkeys carry loads and are very strong. Crocodile. Crocodiles have sharp teeth and live in rivers. Hen. Hens lay eggs on the farm. Rhino. Rhinos have thick skin and one big horn. Duck. Ducks can swim and quack loudly. Gorilla. Gorillas are strong and live in the jungle. Rabbit. Rabbits hop and love to eat carrots. Fox. Foxes are clever and quick hunters. Buffalo. Buffaloes are big and help farmers plow fields. Camel. Camels can walk long distances in the desert. Peacock. Peacocks have colorful feathers and love to dance. Snake. Snakes slither on the ground and shed their skin. Rooster. Roosters crow loudly every morning. Hippo. Hippos spend most of their time in water. Parrot. Parrots can talk and love eating fruits.